Alright guys, welcome again today. So today I'll be showing you how to use a function on the command prompt. By the way, before I continue, if you haven't hit the subscribe button already, you should already go ahead and do that right now. It's really important. Okay, hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button at the end of this video if you like the video. Do a drop a comment. Let's go right in. So the command I'll be going with today is known as Robocopy. Okay, an advanced utility to copy files and directory trees. Okay, so okay, robust file copies for Windows. Simple usage: Robocopy source destination stroke mir source directory can display your drive path or saver share path. Destination, same thing. That's the source where you are taking your file from. Destination is where you are copying it to. Okay, mir mirror a complete directory tree. So Robocopy is just a function on the command prompt used to copy files from one place to another. It's kind of more advanced. So let's see how it works. So alright, let's enter the directory known as test. Test. Alright, so these are the link files here. Complete user registration, system using PHP, how to make, sending OTP. Alright, these are what we have here. As you can see here. So the files we have here. So we're using Robocopy to transfer the files from one place to another. So first and foremost, we're going to create our new our new folder. Is where our source and our destination. So let's create make directory source. Alright, done. I'm also going to make directory, and let's call this the destination. Alright, you can go ahead and see that destination source empty. So we want to copy this to copy our files. So let's move this source. This source. Okay, so see we're in the source. Alright, so now let's go back. Okay, so now under given the simple syntax of Robocopy source destination mir, that is to mirror a complete directory tree. So source, we named our source destination, but you can use different keywords depending on the situation. Okay, so let's continue. So Robocopy, we now bring in our source where we are copying from. Remember, the first one is where you're copying from, the second is where you're taking it to. That's your destination. Okay, destination, and we are going to stroke mir. Alright, it's copied 3, total 3, skipped 1. Alright, and it took 4 seconds to complete this copy, not 5 seconds. That's why Robocopy is really fast in transferring files. Let's see what we have. Source, our 1, 2, 3 files. At destination, let's check that. 1, 2, 3. So that's something advanced you can do with your Robocopy. You can go ahead and let's check our destination. Alright, voila, there they are. So alright, that's it for today. Bye for now. Hit the subscribe button if you like that, to get new videos, and ring the button, hit the like button if you like the video. Drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you think about it. Have a nice time.